this in a different window. Alright. So, if people are on, then I can determine if y'all can hear me or not. It's not supposed to pull that window up. Okay. How's my volume? I don't know if I got people who are in yet, but let me know if I'm too loud, too quiet, or if music's too loud, too quiet. Let me know what the dealio is. Oh, cool, 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 cool. Thank you. Sec. Righty on. Alright. Thank you very much for that, Codex Cody. Much appreciated. Okay. Guess give it a few more moments if more people want to hop on. I just made a tweet about me being live today, like now. So I don't know how many people got it. This. Alright, so how's everybody doing? Uh, Let me know. Ouch! How you doing in the chat? You know, like where you're from. Nice to meet y'all and whatnot. Just making. I'm just trying to make sure I get my stuff set up. Ooh. See, I don't know if I use no copyright music and still get flagged. Oh, Memphis. Ooh, yeah, I know it's pretty hot down there, man. Like, but I know for damn sure it's a scorch your hair. Yeah, it was ridiculous. I couldn't even. I didn't even feel comfortable wearing a shirt when I went out, man. It was ridiculous. We in like the 100s degrees out here. Ugh, it is ridiculous, man. It was so damn hot, man. I went to go over to the damn store to go get my meds and whatnot, and I could have sworn I saw a slave pointing towards freedom somewhere. Or I was just hallucinating, man. I was like, damn, it is too hot up in here, man. I'm about to have heat stroke and pass out. But I ain't gonna do that today, cause I got Iowa. Gotta take a sip of that away from the mic. Right, yo. Let me do one more tweet. That I am live. and then we'll get the party started. Yeah, indeed. Yeah, I'm trying to get my AC to actually like to work right because the only room that my AC works in is the basement, which is where I'm in right now. But then but like my living room is but then the upstairs, it's like a damn sauna up in there. Ugh, it's too musty in there. Like it was so hot. It reminded me of when I went over to Mardi Gras over in New Orleans, and I made it to Louisiana. I made it over to New Orleans like it was at night, right? So it was like cool. You know what I mean? It was like good weather. You know, so you're not too hot, not too cold. It was good. It was good. I went outside the next day, man. I I went outside. I'll put you like this. It was like one of those like those purse snatchers, but it was somebody who was snatching my oxygen. Cause I went outside and I just felt somebody go, whoo, just take my air and just run. Because I couldn't fit. I dropped straight to the floor. I couldn't even breathe. It was so humid out there. I was like huffing and puffing and stuff like that because it was like I had no oxygen. It was so damn hot. But yeah, it took me a couple days to get used to it. But I ain't never experienced heat like that ever, ever. Hell no. Jeez. I do like warm, but not too damn warm. Not in like Vegas warm, where it's like super hot even at night. Cook an egg on the sidewalk, man. You could cook a whole damn breakfast, a whole AHA breakfast on the damn sidewalk out there, man. No, it was too crazy out there for me. I might go again, but it'll be in with an exceptionally technologically advanced air conditioning system. Otherwise, I ain't going. But then we got a couple more people who dropped in. Cool, nice to meet you guys. Also, go ahead and let me know where you guys are from. Hello, hello. And I guess we'll get started. So I am trying to get better at this bug bounty shiitake, and the best way for me to learn is to be practical. If I'm actually doing it, it sinks into my head a lot easier. So what I'm doing is for the next 2 months, every Sunday I'm gonna go over these 8 topics. So for today, just be going over Google Dorking and what it consists of and how we can look for stuff with it, and then a tool called Big Bounty Recon. So these are the main 2 that we're going to be doing today. Next Sunday, we'll be going over Shodan and Census, and the following week after that, going over like enumerating a target with a virus total and GitHub enumeration. And for the 4th week, we're going to start getting into actual tools using AMAS, Subfinder, and whatever the hell this is. After that, tactics and techniques to discover live hosts, going over DNS records, how to fuzz a target, and walking it. Okay. Alright. So, without any further ado, let us begin. Alright. So, but first, I want to say thank you all for you guys' support. Definitely appreciate that. Really weird about it, but I made a Patreon. I don't know how that is. Just for support and stuff like that. I need to fix this because I don't. Uh, it told me I had to do 3, so I was like, all right, cool. Where the hell are my damn tiers at, yo? Yeah, but here I don't even know how this damn thing works. How do I find my freaking thing? Ah, here we go. So, uh, here's the link to my Patreon there. If you guys want to check that out, if you would like. And that was basically it. So let's go ahead and get started. Google Dorks. Aye. Google Dorks. They're basically like commands that can work on any like search engine really to specifically narrow down information on a target. So putting our focus only on one domain and pulling out what we can from that domain. Here is an updated Google Dork list for this year that recently came out. So we're going to be using these examples as well. I have pretty much like copied what the main topics are from that same article. So just making sure that I'm showing like my references to where I'm getting my information from. Because if we're doing it straight from ground up, like we don't know what the hell's going on and going like working upwards from there. Because I want to make sure that I'm on the same track as everybody else. So that's how I want to run it. You know, here is a list of Google Dorks that I got from GitHub. Sushi Mushi. And these are dorks that we're going to also be looking at for finding bug bounty targets and all that jazzy fay. Looking into the Google hacking database as well. Seeing how we could use this to go ahead and find stuff and everything. And then, as I was saying, using this tool called Big Bounty Recon, which is this bad boy here. So there's a lot of stuff that we could do with this thing, which is pretty cool. Alright then, let's get it started. So, okay, so here's some examples of Google Dorks. Here, specifying like a site, specifying what is in a URL, so any domain, and if it has this word in the URL, it'll give us results from there. We can check to see if target is powered by something. Search operators cache. Kizash. So show cache content with the word web highlighted. Okay. So caching from this domain, pulling anything with this word in it. Okay. So I was hoping for some end user team interaction on a target to pick. So I will just pick Pinterest for right now, and doing some of these dorks with these. So let's do that. So we want to specify our site here. So we're just going to enter in site Pinterest.com, and this should pull everything with this as a domain. So we have CL, Pinterest, RO for Romania. This is for Chile. This is from Colombia, Portugal. Alright, so we're getting results from different countries that are specified by the country code in front of the domain. So let's just start with everything from Chile first. Let's see. Actually, let's hold up. I don't know if we can only have just those. We probably could, so let's check it out. Let's try that. Let's just add this. So we should get everything that's related to Pinterest in Chile. All right. So here's how we can just like specify just this one domain and then just sift through there. So where is, yeah, if it's in the title of the page, this one's interesting, but you're gonna need to like be really accurate or just individually go through them one by one for what could be in a potential title. But I don't know if juicy information would be in a title, so I don't want to use that. Let's see. Okay, so we do all in URL. This would be what should be word for word in the entire thing, or not in the entire thing, in a section of it. Okay, so in URL. Nothing. Let's see. And I think in text is anything that is in the text of in the domain there. Okay. So all right. So, yeah. So this is looking for everything with the word admin in it. What happens if I go password? So I should get, yep. So I should get stuff that has just the word password in it. All right. Okay. Okay, so here's your updated Google Dorks here. So let's try to use one here. But we're going to need to figure out what type of technology that it's using. So let's remove that. And we do that by, hold up, using the extension, ext, and seeing if we get results with this, with the PHP in it. Nope. With ASP. Nope. HTML. Nope. I don't know if I'm supposed to put a dot in here. Let's see if what that does. Nope. See if they got backup. If I can find a backup file. Hell no, fool. Alright, well that sucks. Yeah, but yeah, so yeah, okay, so I did not need a period. Alright, so I could just put that in there. So let's, for log files, alright, so we gotta do that. I am not a crook or a robot. Alright, so we're really not getting anything as far as file extensions are concerned. Yeah, because we already looked up ASP, back, dat, ass up. Okay, ass and up aren't in here. Alright, so let's see. Don't have anything with log in it. How about PIM for SSH key file? Nothing. Okay. Well, it's basically like a good idea on how to use Google Dorks and stuff like that, which is cool. Alright. Here's XLS to see if we can find anything with that have Excel files in it. Nothing. Alright, you really ain't helping me out. Stink on ice. Alright, so we got something here. Alright, so we got, this has XLS here, meaning if I click that, we should get an Excel file. Yep. And if we open that, we have this file here that came from that page. Alright, so let's try this one again. And here we have a result that of PHP running somewhere on Pinterest here. Nothing from my from no IIS. Okay, not seeing anything as far as TXT is concerned. All right, so we're pretty much trying to say that anything that comes from this domain that has whatever I put on this side, look just for that. So that's cool. Next thing that we're going to look at is the Google Hacking database here. And these are dorks that are specifically designed to pull whatever these that's in this category section right here. So if I want to look for a government site that has admin panel site.gov, then anything that has these words in it, we should get responses back from. So if I do that, I should get something that has information on the admin panel. Okay. Okay, so this is getting kind of good. And we can also edit this to get different info. So let's try this here. Change gov to .com. So anything here has pulled up anything related to the two words index of and is in a CSV format. So that's something else too that that we could sift through a target domain and try to find like juicy info there. Let's see. So that's cool. All right. So next up that I want to look at is this application right here, Big Bounty Recon. So I'm going to give like a shout out and props to Val Maynard, looks like, for making this great program. So like here's reference to this application. Well, I don't know if he takes donations from like that, but yeah, he definitely deserves it because this is like this person that definitely deserves it because this is like a really dope application to use. So what this application does here, Big Bounty Recon, what it does is that it uses Google Dorks to pull like data in these topics here. So if I just went and typed in just Pinterest.com, and I just want a dork for directory listings, I'll just click that, and then it'll immediately open up a search of the dork that we're using and what it has found from there. So that is definitely cool. But also this works per the domain name as well, so it's also good practice to, if we're working with a specific subdomain, to put that in here. So if I do this again, then I'll get everything that's related to just this subdomain here. As we see, we have different results now because we changed the domain to where we only want to search for this particular subdomain, these dorks here. So okay, we already tested out one. Now some of these don't work. Like for example, domain I don't know why it don't. It just does this. I don't know what to look for, sir. It's like irritating. But there's only one gripe that I have. That's it. Let's see. We can attempt to find more subdomains from this subdomain, which there aren't any. Did my voice just crack there? I think it did. We can also try to find domains, which there are none. I need to take a sip of my agua. Okay. So let's see what else do we have. Okay. Is there... Okay, so we could search in GitHub if there's anything from there, which it does look like there is. Okay, so there's that. What else do we have? Wayback Machine, definitely like that. This is good. Okay, good. Searching for API endpoints, I like that. And we can look through Shodan as well as Census. I used to use Shodan, but I started to move away from it because Census has yielded some great results that I like. I'll still go back to Shodan, but I've just been using Census a lot more. Let's find out why. So let's pull up both Census and Shodan. Let's see. I think we have to specify the organization. Okay, I guess I don't. Okay, I wonder if this is going to do something. Doo-doo butter! Ah! So neither one of these work. That just sticking the stinks on ice. Shorty flip-flops. Alright. Let's look through some more of these. Cause I'm not gonna click on them, because I don't want to like show anything. But let's see how these are put together so that we can actually use them on our own like target and stuff that we're working on. So here we could find anything with the word admin or login. I'm still learning how these things, what to do with these admin panels. I have seen some cool 403 bypass applications. That's interesting there, because I haven't tried any of those bypasses yet. Okay, this is a cPanel. I wonder what this is. Admin file type XLS. Why would somebody have that? Oh. Maybe don't open a new tab since it will bring you directly here. Alright. Okay. Interesting. And of course, the file type is XLS. So everything that we're picking up is straight from XLS. Okay. Okay. I mean, and if anybody has any questions, please feel free to chime in. This is a group effort. And let me see. Okay. So let's look at another one. Let's just randomly pick a page. Ooh, don't want to do that one. So this will show us everything that has a Shodan API key discovered in clear text on pastebin. Okay. I wonder what's the dot in. Okay. Okay, so this is to pull up Jira login. Okay. Yeah, I was hoping for more people so we can pick something to work off of here. Let's see. I don't know. Okay. These are the main two topics that I was planning on going over. I was hoping for more people to get more stuff, uh, and options to choose from and everything. But yes, less than I expected. It's all good though. Ain't no big deal. Let me see. Well, that's basically it that I wanted to go over. If anybody, whoever's watching, if you have any questions, oh, did you have a Codex Cody? Do you have like a target that you're working on, or have like one to use as an example? Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Oh, okay. No big deal. All right. Cool. Yeah. If you guys have like an example, like if any of you have like a example of like a target to utilize, uh, Google Dorking and using this Big Bounty Recon tool on, like feel free like to drop it down over in the chat. Yeah, and it's cool that you said that. Codex Cody, sorry, I have a stutter, but but tomorrow is my hacking lab streams that I'm going to be doing on Mondays, where I'll be going over a lab and just going through bit by bit my methodology on it, and also having interaction as well. If you have like questions on it, or your thoughts, or what you like see that I don't, or whatever like that. That's basically what is going to be for every Monday. So every Monday, I'm going to be live streaming, attacking on like a box from either Try Hack Me, Offensive Security Proving Grounds, or Hack the Box. Okay, I thought I said Hack the Box twice. So everyone as a group can go over like the lab and see how it's done, and also participate as well. So that's what I got going on tomorrow. Codex Cody, if you want to hop on that one too. And it'll be for the same time at noon Mountain that I'll start it. Awesome sauce. Let's see. I want to dork on. Okay, that stream is going to be at the same time. Codex Cody. It's going to be at 12 Mountain Time. Let me go ahead and put that in the chat. Oops. Need to be specific. So that'll be 12 p.m. So let me see if we can find something in here. What are some things that we can use? Let's see if we can add this to this dork here. Alright, so we are getting some info about admin panels, but nothing that shows a panel. And this is cool practice too, where you can just trim some, like you just trim these dorks out to look for something that you specifically want to look for. So let's look up logs and hope that it ain't talking about number 2. Thank you. Or from Ren and Stimpy. Yeah, Nickelodeon fans will know exactly what I'm talking about with that. Everyone gets a log. What the hell? Let's see. Okay. Getting different file extensions here. Got some XML files. Yay! What else from pictures can we dig up? I want to see. Any good movies to watch out there? I got finished watching Coming to America, the first one, for the 848th time. Yeah, that's one of my favorite movies. And one thing that I couldn't get. Okay. Plot goes as such, right? Akeem goes to America to find a woman that's right for him. His father gives him 40 days to get all that done. How the hell did Akeem get employed at McDowell's day of? No application, no background check, no drug screen, no calling, no references, none of that. It's just, hey, work. And then McDowell's goes, hey, start tomorrow. like that. Like that's how you do it. Like, what the fuck? It had me just mad tripping. I was so confused by that because it didn't dawn on me until I watched it again a couple days ago. Because I was just casually watching it, and you know when him and his dad are going through the little forest with the elephants and the lions running around and whatnot, and James Earl Jones told him he has 40 days, then he'll come back and marry his already predetermined bride. Like I was like, yeah, let's do. Oh, hold up. Oh, never mind, because they flashed all that money with how they got their apartment day of. Again, no application, no references, no background check. It's just, give me the money, here you go. Man, I have never seen a screening process that non-existent before. This is what. Oh yeah, global rank is. Oh, dude, I totally get it, man. That had my head hurt. I couldn't even sleep because I was like boggling my mind. I was like, damn, A key don't apply for shit. He didn't apply for a damn thing. He was just like, hey, hook me up with that. Oh, by the way, I'm poor, so treat me like everybody else. I would like to work here. Can I start today? Here's an application. What is an application? You know what? Don't even worry about that. Don't even worry about that. Just throw that in the trash. You can start right now. Oh, God. That's just... Whew. Had to get that out of my system. Let's search Wayback Machine. See what that gets us here. We should be pulling up the web archive. Archive. Sorry, I'm a little bit hungry. You ain't giving me squat. Alright, so you stink on ice. Let's do... Let us... No, don't want to check that one. Which might be interesting if we did find something. Oh no, I didn't see the second one yet. I didn't see the second one yet. I only saw the first one. But I am going to see the second one soon. Let's see. You have found a page that does not exist. You stink on hot lava. Alright. Let's see if we could find what are publicly exposed documents. Obviously nothing that Google can track down. And no open redirects. Oh wait. Let me back up there. Let me back up there. So we can look at that. Let's look at that. So this combined all these dorks here with names of parameters that would be related to open redirects. No spoil. Yeah, thank you. No spoilers. Quoting River Song from Doctor Who, which is my favorite TV show, by the way. I am a dedicated Whovian. Messaging the wife. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it. No spoilers. Now I'm gonna watch Doctor Who. Sharp. Alright. Let's see what else we got up in here. It's gonna get more interesting as we go. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff that I want to cover over the next coming weeks. So let's see if we can find some setup files. No setup files, just pulling these keywords here. Oh, this is the only page that I found. Alright. We did see that it had PHP on something, but you don't want to wait. You stink. You have no backup files either. So, for Google Dorking or just using the tool, here's some extensions of backed up files. I don't know. I had Ludacris in my head. Get back! Well, you don't know me like that. We ain't got a damn thing there. So far, so good. Getting some cool info off this. Robot.txt files. Let's see if we have anything there. No, but just articles about it. Okay, so GitHub application. So basically, what I'm doing and trying to maintain like a focus on is Google Dorking just the subdomain and pulling info just from this one subdomain. It's tedious, but it's worth the time and the effort because we're trying to like make sure that we enumerate in depth and get as much info as we can on the subdomain that we're working. And again, the only time that we do it like this is if we're looking at the main app. And this will show everything just from the main app. Or, oops, nope, I didn't put site. My bad. So this will only pull Pinterest. If I do this again. Or anything from that domain. But if I want to be more specific, just change that. And now I'll get everything with just no Pinterest.com. I might do movie reviews on this channel too, on my Twitch, and everything, because I've seen some horrible garbage that I need to get out of my system, and explain why I hated it so much. I did watch Darkman a little while ago. Darkman, that was funny as hell. Cause one thing that bothered me about Darkman was Liam Neeson's face was blown clean off, but you could see, but he was using human words that required lips, something that he didn't have. Oh, yes, you are exactly correct. It is the file that like specifically says what the spiders or what web crawlers and spiders should not be picking up. Like it would have like paths that are allowed and paths that are disallowed. The only thing that it is cool to find those, but I've learned two things that some of those disallowed paths are like blocked. So then you would have to learn how to do like bypassing in order to get through those stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much what those what a robots.txt file is. Let's pull up one. So this will be IBM. And this will be everything that we should not be able to have access to for the disallow or be able to crawl for. Damn it. I just had something in my head that I wanted to go over, but I totally forgot what it was. One second. Crap! Damn it! I had one more thing on my agenda that I wanted to get done today. But I totally forgot what the hell it was. Okay. 1 second, let me retrace my brain steps. Very quick. There will be narrowed eyes and eyes shifting from left to right at a very fast pace in order for me to remember what the hell I forgot. Because I just had it, and then I just forgot it. Habanero peppers. Okay, that just... Yeah. Just hit a chitlin water moment. Yeah, God, that stinks. That stinks like chitlin water. Ugh. Dang it! I had something, and I totally forgot. All right. Let me look at this real quick. No, it's not Google Dorking. It was something. Crap. Okay. When I remember it, I'll do it on my next stream. All right, I'll do it on my next stream when I remember it. All right, cool. Okay, I did go over my Patreon or something. I think it was, but I totally forgot what the hell it was. It was related to Bug Bounty Shiitake, and I just totally forgot what the hell it was. Let me see. And I'm cool with the time. I'll go over it a little bit since I got looks like 3 people are already in it, which is cool. Uh, and I just wow, I damn, my brain farted so hard that I cannot remember what the hell I was gonna talk about. All right, shark. All right, I'll show this one off too. Da, 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 uh, was associated with a vendor? No, I do not believe that it was. What's it? Definitely wanted to include uh, some of my methodologies here that I do. I still have like my GitHub. Um, for Google Dorking, that was a that yeah that was basically all that I had in terms of Google Dorks. It'll come back to me. It's all good. It's all good. I'm gonna update my methodologies. So for those who are going after like the OSCP, uh, I just have just like some things that I put together to help me remember how to go through walking through like a machine and everything. Uh, Running nmap, how I do that, and when I would enumerate a target, I go from top down, and I give myself 30 minutes on each port, so I'm not jumping down any rabbit holes or anything like that. I'm still like zeroed in and focused and stuff. So I don't know if it'll help you guys, but it's just like a little something, to check out. If it works for you, let me know. If there's anything I can add, feel free to go ahead and let me know that too. Stuff like that, to what I could pick up on. And let's see, I want to. Oh, right. Let me just pull that up instead. Wayback Machine. What I was trying to show, and I will include this one because I think this one is Wayback Machine. No, we don't have it. All right. So I think this was it. I think this was it. Yeah, because it didn't work. So I said I was gonna like use that one instead. Okay, that's what my brain was telling me. So it was Wayback Machine. All right, so just looking up target here. Browsing the history. Basically taking this subdomain and going from when this site was first created and seeing what all links that this had, looking for anything with parameters that we can maybe test if they're still available on the page, because I was trying to get this to work, but neither one of these were working. Let's see if this works. Oh, the second one works, not the first one. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense now. All right, so this is pretty much what I want to show as well. This domain, and everything that's related to this domain, we pull all the URLs that were here. Now, let's see if we can find parameters, and nothing is there. All right, let's pull up the URLs. Oh, right, filter results. Okay, my bad. Filter results. Look up a question mark. So here we have parameters here that we can look at to see how they work, how they look, do they still exist, so on and so forth. Alright. So I wonder what this pin is related to. test this. Let me see if I'm just putting like an apostrophe in it. Well, no, I don't want to do that because I don't want to actively test this thing. Don't want to do that. All right, so we're going to skip that shiitake and see what else we can dig into here. Where's that CRT? Actually, let's go back here. Okay, so this is interesting. Files containing passwords. We use just in text. And by me just going through these random dorks and stuff, it's forcing me to be more zoned in on my target because my brain goes everywhere. I have like ADHD, so and I don't like that. And me, man, yeah, and I had to, yeah, it helps me like stay focused and everything like that. If I can actually put a video into it, yeah, I had to catch myself. I almost did that. Did not want to do that at all. No way. But here's some. These are interesting things to look for, like backup files, YAML, Apache logs. Okay, that's basically it. Basically all I wanted to go over for today. I might add. I'm gonna add some more stuff for next week's stream for using Shodan and Pinterest. So I'm gonna find something else I can add to that I could throw on for next week's video and everything like that. But again, like as always, like if you have any questions, like feel free to drop them in. You know what I mean? Like I'm learning just like everybody else. You know, your input is always appreciated and always validated. You know, team effort. I don't know how many people have seen my Discord as well. I do have a Discord if I can find the dang thing. And I will make sure to add that on my streams as well. And that's essentially all that I have. Let's see if we can. Let's try one of these. These are updated database dorks. Let's see what they may have. Let's try one. Password, damn. Let's see, we can see what this one gives us here. Ooh. Okay. All right. Some cool results here. Not bad. All right. All right. Okay, so here we have some more. Let's see what we can find with this one. So again, if I had my target already here, I would specify it with site and then have the domain after, and it'll still give this, not all of this, but it'll still look for these in that one target domain. Oh wait, just remembered. Here we go. Bug Bounty Dorks. These were the ones I was supposed to show, but I didn't. My apologies. All right, so for those who want to get into bug bounties, I definitely suggest using this here, because not every company will have a bug bounty program with the exact same wording. So that's why these are listed here. So these are going to be like the same as regular dorks, right? So we're just going to go ahead and pick one, and then just Google that. And now we have every domain that has a responsible disclosure program with it that is worded specifically like this and includes the word reward. So if we want to try something different, let's see. Let's just look up in URL and reward. Okay. Here are more programs that offer bug bounty programs as well. So this is pretty much like a good list just to use to look for any variations, anything that may like entice you more as far as like looking for a target or something like that is concerned, or specifying like what area it's from, like like European English, UK, Netherlands. You know what I'm saying? If you're like in those areas and looking for bug bounty program there, let's just copy this whole line here. See what this one gives us. Obviously not a bookmark toolbar. Damn you! All right, and here as we see, we have different results from each one of these dorks that we're using. So as we see, not everything's going to be exactly the same. There's going to be like different results and stuff like that we'll get. Like for example, like none of these were in the last two searches that we used. So if I want to look for another one with the American dollar bill, y'all. Matter of fact, I might use this one. Might use this dork to find the target and work on it and stuff, you know? Yep, but that's basically it. Now it's official. That was it. This was it right here that I was trying to do. And show you guys and whatnot. So for those who want to like start out in bug bounty, like this is how Google Dorks work and how they can help you find stuff. And as we can again see, they vary and they present different results for us to find. So there's always something. Let me see what this one looks like. Yep, again, this one I believe was in one of the previous searches, but I didn't see these two. So again, we're seeing variations of what these dorks produce as far as like results are concerned. So give that a shot. Feel free to hit me up on my Twitter if I can find it. You already have my Twitch channel because we're on it. Go ahead and find my stoof here. Alright, so here goes my Twitter. You guys can definitely reach me on there. And my YouTube channel, I did not get that queued up. Alright, so that is everything. just about. All right. So, yeah, don't forget to, like, hit like, share, and subscribe, to stay updated on, like, my YouTube channel and all that good jazz. Again, if you want to, like, support your boy, here goes, like, my Patreon. I'm going to fix these because I had no idea what to use or to do for these. But I have, like, a couple tiers here. I have Shy Kitty, just to get access to my of like videos and stuff like that that I have that I'm not gonna be putting on YouTube here. Access to like my like live streams and stuff. My Discord, not my live stream, my Discord, whatnot. If you guys want to like hop in on there. If you guys have recommendations for me to do a comedy review on, go ahead and drop those. You'll get to those as quickly as possible. But that's basically it. All right. That's all I have. Sorry for the rambly, but I definitely had fun doing this. Good start. And I will see you all next week. All right. Thank you very much. All right, peace.